This is number 11. Here we're trying to solve using the quadratic equation. Step 0 is to always put the equation in standard form. For this one, it's already in standard form. 2x squared plus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let's find the a, b, and c. A here is 2, the b is 3, and the c is negative 1. We can now plug it into the quadratic formula, which is displayed right there. So it is going to be x is equal to negative 3 plus and minus radical 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1, that all over 2 times 2. Okay, I now need to plug things into the calculator. So I can plug in 3 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 1. That is this part here. This part I can plug into the calculator. And I know when I plug that into the calculator, I got 17 inside that radical. Okay, so here I can leave it like this because radical 17 cannot simplify. So my two solutions would be negative 3 plus radical 17 over 4. And the other solution would be x is equal to negative 3 minus 17 over 4. Those would be my two solutions. The next problem, I get 3x squared plus 4x minus 3 equals to 0. That's already in standard form. My a is 3, my b is 4, my c is negative 3. I can now plug everything into the quadratic formula. It is negative 4 plus and minus radical 4 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 3. That's all over 2 times 3. I can now use Desmos to plug this in to see what's inside that radical. And I got that as radical 52. So my two solutions would be the negative 4 plus radical 52 over 6. And the other one would be negative 4 minus radical 52 over 6. Those would be my two solutions. The last problem, 4x squared plus 4x minus 15 is equal to 0. Right now it's already in standard form. My a is 4, my b is 4, and my c is negative 15. I plug it into my quadratic formula. X is equal to negative 4 plus and minus 4 squared minus 4 times negative 15 all over 2 times 4. I now need to plug this into the calculator. And then I get it as radical 256. Notice radical 256 is inside that radical. So I have negative 4 plus and minus radical 256 over 8. Did you know that the radical 256 can't be broke down into a 16? So the solution, the first solution, would be x is equal to negative 4 plus 16 over 8. That simplifies to 3 over 2. And the other one was negative 4 minus 16 divided by 8, which can simplify into negative 5 over 2. So there you go. Those are your two solutions.